Mandam Tembu for the Highveld newspaper, where we are at West Street, where the potholes are so big. And the road is such a dilapidated way, because it's a major route for the trucks as they are going in and out of the railway station. So the road is so bad. As you can see, trucks are just passing by here, numerous trucks. And they're going deep into these potholes over here. As you can see, they've made an alternative route for cars, because there's this huge pothole over here where cars can't even pass.